Good morning children. How are you children? In previous class we have discussed about second unit adaptation in plants. Adaptation in plants. Types of plants. How many types? What are those? Good. Types of plants. Two types. First one aquatic plants and terrestrial plants. What are aquatic plants? Plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. Different types of aquatic plants. How many types? What are those children? Different types of aquatic plants are four types. What are those? Free-floating plants, underwater plants, fixed plants and emergent plants. Good. Free-floating floating plants for example, water lettuce and duckweed. Second one, underwater plants for example, pondweed and tape grass. Fixed plants for example, lotus and water lily. Emergent plants for example, iris and cattle. Okay. Today we have discussed about terrestrial plants. Okay. What are terrestrial plants? Plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Different types of terrestrial plants are how many types? 6 types. First one coniferous trees. Second one mangrove trees. Third one emergent trees. Fourth one deciduous trees. Fifth one desert plant. And sixth one insectivorous plants. We shall now discuss about first one coniferous trees. Okay. This one coniferous trees for example tree. Okay. First one we see them in cold and hilly areas. This tree we see them only cold and hilly places. Okay. This tree only we see them only cold and hilly places. Next, they have needle-like leaves. They have, you observe children, leaves or needle-like leaves. These trees we see them only cold and hilly areas. Okay, hilly places also. Second one, these leaves have needle-like leaves. Okay. Third one, instead of flowers, these trees bear cones. Instead of flowers, see children, instead of flowers, these trees bears cone shape. Bears cone shape. For example, the pine, fir, spruce and cedar are some such trees examples. Okay. What are they? Pine, fir, spruce and cedar are some such trees. These conical and slanting shape. Okay. This one slanting shapes. Slanting shape make snow. Okay. Slim and slanting shape make snow easily slide off easily. Okay children. Different types of terrestrial plants. This tree we see them only hilly and cold areas. Okay, hilly and cold areas. Second one, they have needle-like. Okay, needle-like leaves. Okay, needle-like leaves. Observe. Okay, needle. Third one, instead of flowers, these trees bear cones. Okay, instead of flowers. Okay, see, observe children. Instead of flowers, these trees bear cones. Okay. For example, the pine, this one fig tree. Okay. slanting shape. Okay, observe children this one. Slanting shapes make snow slide off easily. Okay children, practice in your home. Page number 105. Types of plants: aquatic plants and terrestrial plants. Okay, different types of terrestrial plants. First one, coniferous trees. Practice in your home. Stay safe, stay healthy children. Thank you.